Hey guys, welcome to another's vlog, and for today's video it will be all about Mother's Day because today's Mother's Day, May 14, 2017, and we're going to Blue Elephant, and located lang siya near or nasa harap ng Marina Mall. I'm not so sure with that, but yeah, nakakangalay. Wait lang. I'm just going to hold it. So, kwentuhan muna tayo. So, I'm messengering. So, I'm just asking my friends sa Messenger and Twitter if ano yung dare nila sa akin. And yes, may nag-reply naman. So, I'm just going to screen capture it so I can, basta i-edit ko yun, lalagay ko dito. Tapos, doing your dares. Wait, I have to put you somewhere. Or, I'll be back. So, tapos na ako mag-film ng what's inside my Kikay kit. I'm planning to do
dares. Sabi kasi nila, do the mobile challenge. Nag-practice ako ng nag-practice. Ay, Diyos ko. So, nag-check ako sa Twitter if may nag-reply, and yes, meron. Sisigaw ako sa labas ng bahay. Diyos ko, paano ba?
I think paalis na kami, so I'm just gonna get my camera bag. And ito lang siguro. Kakasya naman yung camera at cellphone ko. So yes, I'm gonna go now. Gotta turn off the lights. Bye. So, I forgot to show you my outfit of the day. I was kinda in a hurry. But nag-dress lang ako. Floral dress. And hindi ko sure if nakita niyo to sa vlog ko or if nasuot ko to. And yung footwear ko is just from FitFlop. So, tatambay lang muna ako dito. Since hindi naman ako sure kung anong oras kami pupunta sa Blue Elephant, and it's already 6:43 p.m. Gusto ko habain yung vlog ko. I'm sorry, I'm moving the table. Kasi I don't think I can film tomorrow kasi dito lang naman ako sa bahay. But I'm trying to do the dares. Pero I think kulang pa yung dares para gawin ko yun bukas. So I think I have to do it on Wednesday.
But, we'll see. Tuesday, how about Tuesday? I think that would be alright. Okay, there.
Medyo boring ako kausap eh. You guys, I'm craving for zagu and fries. Oh, I forgot to tell you about this, pero I have new ringtones para sa aking phone. And listen, I'm going to show you. I'm going to let you hear it. Sounds ringtone.
You ready? It's lit. Lit.
Okay. So, let's choose Ice Pie. So yes, aalis na talaga kami.
Kami sa Korean bong. Ang parking lang.
Inane.
Ano sila ate?
Na
Mapit ka na sa planta, no? O sa door.
Ha?
Mapit ka sa door kaya mga tato instruction.
Kanaga ba?
So we're here already. Keep me close to every time.
So ikaw, Yel, pwede naman siguro matubig na yun.
Dorm. Hey guys, so I am in our house already and the time is 9:58. I think we left the house at 6 something. So we just ate dinner at, I forgot the name, but it's a Korean restaurant or Japanese. I think Korean.
So, I think this is the end of this video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. Hello, excited. Again, take 2. Mag-pretend kayo na wala nangyari.
So I think this is the end of the video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below suggesting any videos you want me to film soon. Bye!